something, Julie. She's mad now. Got a boo-boo. Sitting by Grandma and Pal. You gonna say something?
Cheese.
Jeez. She looks like she's related to Billy, huh? With her.
Because my hair's all bushy. Look awful.
Who are you sitting on?
Grandma.
Well, let me see her face. We can't see her, huh?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, M, N, O, P.
Q?
Q, R, S, D, U, V, W, X. Y.
Y.
Y, and Z.
Good.
Yes, Julie.
What truck?
Go ahead,
See
honey.
a dead skunk
Go
in the middle of the
ahead.
road and dance.
There's a skunk in the middle of the road. There's a skunk in the middle of the road. Stink in the highway.
It's your turn.
Pick your fingers.
Okay.
My nose.
How old are you?
Hi, Uncle Marvin.
How old's Julie?
Uncle Butch.
How old's Julie?
Hi, Uncle Butch.
Julie, Aunt Dorothy's asking you how old you are.
How old are you? 3?
Ouch.
Oh my goodness.